Okay guys, ever wanted an interactive, shoppable image with clickable hotspots showing product details on hover? Setting all of this up manually would honestly take forever. Well, this section handles it all beautifully. Today, we're adding this collection section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the content settings. Add a heading here, and there are more settings you can adjust, but I won't be changing any of these myself since they already work well for my section. Now let's move on to the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best, along with a few other layout settings. There's also spacing settings and color settings you can customize. Now let's move on to the collection tab. First, add a collection and update the tab label if you'd like. Right below that, add a panel image and a secondary image. Then in Hotspot 1, adjust its position settings, add a pop-up heading, pop-up text, and a pop-up link. There's really so much detail packed into each hotspot. You'll customize Hotspot 2 the exact same way, adding a pop-up heading, pop-up text, and pop-up link. And Hotspot 3 works exactly the same too. Once you've customized everything the way you like, just hit save and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one and I'm always happy to help.